micro minority MPP in parliament. MPP, mini micro minority MPP in parliament. And I see that now you guys have voices. I see that now your voices are now loud to speak to talk about every issue that is going on in Ghana. When your president, now Donga Akufo-Addo was the president of Ghana, all of you lost your voices. When the Stubborn Academy, now Donga Akufo-Addo was the president of Ghana, all of you lost your voices. Even when things was going wrong, you guys lost your voices. When the dollar was going higher, you guys lost your voices. When the fuel was going higher, you guys lost your voices. When corruption was going on everywhere in the country, you guys lost your voices. When you guys bought so much taxes, so much hardship to Ghanaians, you guys lost your voices. When your appointee, your ministers were siphoning money up and down, left and right, you guys were silent. When your finance minister and some of your members in parliament told Ghanaians that if we implement e-levy, all our problems in Ghana will be solved with the e-levy. All our roads will be constructed. They will construct our road for us with the e-levy. With the e-levy, we don't go to IMF. All of you were silent. Even when things are when Ghana were complaining that there's hardship in the country, when Ghana was complaining that MPP fix the country, you guys should go and fix ourselves. You guys were silent about everything. Today, Aban Papa, a good president, a visionary president, a president that has respect, a president that respects his people, a president that listens to Ghanaians, a handsome president. It's essentially John Dramani Mahama. I salute you. Kudos to you. Back to Nana Donga Akufo-Addo, Stubborn Academy, MPP. From 2017 to 2025 that you guys left office, all the money you got almost $800 billion. From 2017 to 2025, $800 billion. That's the loan that the president got in this country. $800 billion. MPP, mini micro minority members in parliament. So far now you guys have voices. So far now you guys are making noise everywhere, every day press conference, every day this or that. You guys were in power for the past 8 years. You guys come out and tell us what you use our $800 billion for the past 8 years. Mention 5 major projects you guys did in Ghana here with the $800 billion. 5 major projects. I'm not saying this mini project. I said 5 major projects. With our $800 billion, you guys, this government, the MPP government got for the past 8 years. Come out and mention to us 5 major projects that you guys constructed in this country called Ghana. You cannot mention even mention even 2. All the major projects you guys are trying to mention are all John Dramani Mahama legacy. Today you guys have voices. Aban Papa, John Dramani Mahama, may God bless you. Under your leadership, less than 5 months, the dollar is now 10 cedis, 20 pesos. But before, it was 17 cedis under MPP. Under MPP, the fuel was 16 cedis. Under Aban Papa, under Aban Papa, John Dramani Mahama, today the fuel is 12 cedis.